Okay, we are in my bathroom. We're gonna get everything cleaned, back to spick and span, and just make it look better. I have some perfumes I need to put away. I got some for my sister. My mirror's dirty. Everything in here is just a mess. And I haven't cleaned it in almost like, I would say a year. Almost like 2 weeks, probably. Technically 2 weeks is in 2 days. So I'm a little safe, but still it's dirty and I need to get to it. So again, wipe everything down, clean the showers, baseboards, everything, put things away. I have like shirt, clothes, water glasses in here, all just the most random stuff. So I just need to pick up. Normally I don't let it run down like this, but on winter break, I've just been like relaxing and just like enjoying not doing anything. And it's been nice, but I've kind of been in a little funk. I kind of need to get back into the groove of things and like get back to doing stuff. Cause I feel like, again, I've been, since I've been in a funk, I just haven't really been, I just know I'm kind of like scrolling and just wasting time. And I'm like, Vanessa, stop wasting time and get back to doing stuff. So we have everything situated. Like I said, I'm gonna declutter some stuff. I've decluttered this not too long ago, so it could be fine, but maybe just like pick it up a little bit, you know? And yeah, so I'll show you the after product. Client who does event coordinating for a hotel across the Dell Center. It's like Ash something. And she's like, hey, so Peter is coming to town and we're gonna do an event with like a silversmith, a bunch of other businesses, and I think it'd be cool if you can be tattooed. I was like, cowboys, mullets, mustaches. I was like, girl, you got me. I will be there. So I'm like, February 7th, I have dates, actually. They don't know it, but I'll be like, I need to get my cute little Western little fit out. and tattoo some cowboys and cowgirls, and it's gonna be a good thing. Okay, we just finished with some yoga this morning. It's a little shaky up in here. Okay, we just finished with some yoga. It was a really good yoga class. I'd leave a little early because I have an appointment at 9:20. I have my 6-month post-op appointment for the girls. I got them done back in June. June 2nd was when I got them done, and it's been game changer. Like, I love it. Before I maybe was like they said I was a C, but I was like, I don't think I was, honestly. I think maybe pushing a B, maybe not even a full B. Doesn't matter because now she got some girls and I love them. So again, 6-month post-op I'm going to right now. He's just going to double check everything's going good. Scarring, the stitches are, obviously they're no longer there. The scar is still healing. Of course, it's going to take a bit for that to heal. But yeah, so we'll see what he says. And again, if you thought about getting your girls done, I'm on your side. I'm with you. I see you. No, but seriously, get them done because it's literally the best thing I've ever done. I feel like all my sports bras, I love my shirts. It's like I have a whole new closet. It is overall such a good thing, and I'm so glad I did it. So I went to Peak Plastics in Draper here in Utah, and I saw Dr. Greiner. He was the best, seriously the best. So 100% recommend him. And again, if you've thought about getting your girls done, get it for yourself. Do it. You will not regret it. It's been the best thing I've ever done. So here I am in Costco trying to get some new glasses. The very last pair I show, no, actually, scratch up. The second to last pair I show, I already have very similar ones to those. So I kind of want to switch it up. So let me know which ones you think I should get. I was watching him from the window play outside, and I just kept thinking, I'm like, oh, my baby needs someone to play with. So I put my snow clothes on, went outside to play with him, and he was so cute because he's showing all his fun stuff he was doing out there. And on top of that, he brought his little snackies out there. So here we are having a little picnic, eating our little goodies that he packed for us.
Ooh, chocolate. Wait, I wonder if this is mint.
It is mint.
It is?
Yes.
Mint chocolate?
Mint chocolate.
Yummy.
Good lockout.
Okay, we're here to get our nails done. Kingston is actually with my mom right now. I just dropped him off to get his hair cut, so he's gonna be all spick and span. And the guy we go to, I've gone to many places, but Cookie Cutters is the GOAT. I've been to many cookie cutters, but specifically his name is Weston, and he's great at it. I've been to barbers, I've been to other kid cuts, I've been to normal cuts, all that stuff, and I'm telling you, I just go back to the same guy because I'm like, he just does his haircut so perfect. And so I had to leave before I saw it, but I was like, Weston, I trust you. I know that you know what you're doing. So again, I haven't seen my baby's haircut yet, but I'm like, we'll see how it goes, and I know it's gonna be amazing. I had him do like a wide mullet, and then like a cute little design in the back. So again, he's gonna be just a little handsome boy. But as for nails, I don't know what I want to do. I'm thinking, I sent her some fun like designs, not really, they're like just ombre. So I might do that, or just another solid. So we'll see. But I love dark colors, so maybe I'll just do, I don't know, maybe we'll do dark, maybe we'll do a dark red or whatever. So we'll see, and then we'll go from there. I feel bad because she just opened her blinds, and I think she is ready for me. I don't know, maybe not. But yeah, okay. I'm gonna go in.